This is how to take a screenshot on your Samsung Galaxy A07 without buttons. Now, there are a couple of reasons why you might want to take a screenshot without the buttons. Say it has spoiled, or for some reasons you want to take a screenshot on applications that do not allow you to take those screenshots using the buttons. That aside, if you want to take a screenshot on your Samsung Galaxy A07 without the buttons, you just want to swipe down through this notification center, scroll down to open up all of the list of icons over here, and then you want to go ahead and look for the take a screenshot icon. By default, you may not find it over here, but what you want to do to get it to the list of active icons is to just click on the edit button at the top, and then you want to click on edit. Now from the list of icons at the bottom, you're going to find the take a screenshot icon. All you just have to do is to long press on it and then move it into the list of active icon. Mine, as you can see, is already over here. You can as well take it back if you don't want, but just move it into this place, and then you just want to click on the done button at the top, click on done, and then once you get to this place, swipe down, you should be able to see the take a screenshot icon. Click on it and automatically your Samsung Galaxy A07 is going to take a screenshot. If you find this video useful, please make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel.